Girls, shall I start the session? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Femin and Ashmin, how many members are joined in BJC group?
I'll see, ma'am. 1 second.
Hmm. Yeah, Lakshmi and Aruna, you also to check
Yes,
the how many members are to join the FN combination. Girls, okay? Yeah, I'll start, ma. 1 minute. Good morning to all. I take it has privilege to introduce the faculty of Jagityal Degree Women's College. Is
Madam, record has stopped.
no, sir, record already started.
Okay, you can.
Good morning to all. I take it as privilege to introduce faculty of Jagityal Degree College, Degree Women's College is Mr. Padala Tirupati sir, Assistant Professor. Sir having 18 years vast experience in teaching field. This service of lecture arranged as a part of a faculty exchange program between our college and Jagityal Degree College. I hope you girls all take benefits of this program. Sir, my girls, both sections girls are joined, sir. Now, here two sessions are there. One is the BJC group, and another one is a nutrition combination group. Both sessions are to join my students. Girls, to listen very careful. Today, sir, start the classes of viruses in Unit 1. The second unit class in the cyanobacteria. After virus, sir, to start the cyanobacteria class. Okay, girls, it's clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. To maintain notes also, ma. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Sorry. Sir, to start the class, sir. Thank you, girls.
Okay, okay. Very warm good morning to all my dear friends.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Okay, this is
Morning.
Padala Tirupati, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Government Degree College for Women, Jagityal. On behalf of this faculty exchange program, I privilege to give my knowledge of the prestigious Twin cities. There is RBVRR Reddy Women's College, Degree and PG College, Autonomous. Department of Botany, Head Department of Botany, Dr. Rajini Madam Garu and Kavita Madam, Dr. Kavita Madam Garu, other faculty members of Department of Botany, RBVRR Reddy Women's College. We are very thankful to you for giving me this wonderful opportunity in the faculty exchange program. Okay. Shall I start, Amma? Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
organ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have any doubt?
Yes,
Have
sir.
any doubt? Please ask me. I will ready to clarify. Okay. Madam is also there. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Madam, I suggest Madam join me also in that WhatsApp group. Just you call me. I will explain. No problem. And my dear friends, virus not have any cells. Virus is a particle, you know. Viruses are particles, not a definite cell structure. Virus is not a definite cell structure, but virus also is able to infect host cell. The host cell may be plant cell, the host cell may be animal cell, the host cell may be bacteria, whatever it may be, able to infect host cell. So infected and cause of different diseases in the host. But these infectious agents, genes only. Genes may be DNA. The gene may be RNA. Actually, DNA is act as a genetic material organism. But here, my dear friend, viruses contain DNA or RNA. Only these DNA or RNA is act as a genetic material. So these organisms, these viruses contain genes, that is DNA genes or RNA genes. These able to multiply in the host cell and mutate and evolve themselves. All themselves only host cell. Then along with this information, in addition to these viruses are evolved. Plasmids. What is a plasmid? Are you heard about the term plasmid? Plasmids are nothing but a circular DNA structure present in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotic living organism like bacteria and cyanobacteria. Right or not? So,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
are evolved from plasmids. So these plasmids are pieces of DNA that can move between cells. Okay, while others may have evolved from bacteria. So some of the bacteriophages like viruses, they are depends on the bacteria. They are evolved from bacteria also. Then present, how many species are discovered? How many viruses species are discovered till today? More than 5,000 species. Then 5,000 species of the viruses are discovered in the entire world. More than 5,000. Then viruses consist how many parts? Virus consists how many parts? Maybe 2 parts. Some of the literature having 3 parts. What are they? These viruses consist 2 parts. One is the center core part. It is consists genes, that is made up of either DNA or RNA. It is only DNA or RNA, but not both. Only one genetic material is present in the center or core part of the virus. Then long molecules that carry genetic information, that is DNA or RNA. Along with the genes, the second part, that is protein content, protein code. The protein code of the virus we can call as capsid, my dear. Capsid. Protein code of this virus we can call as capsid. 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 I will write here. Capsid. Capsid. Protein called as capsid. Okay. Capsid. Protein code we can call as capsid. Some of the subunits of the protein codes. The subunits of the protein codes also we can call as capsomeres. 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 So capsid is nothing but a protein code. The subunits of the protein we can call as capsomeres. Along with this protein code, some of the viruses, in addition to have the envelope of the fat, we can call as peplomers. The envelope of the fat we can call as peplomers. Peplomers. Peplos or peplomers. Peplos. Peplomers. So this is only the structure of the virus. The structure of the virus consists maybe 2 or 3 parts. One is the center part, that is core, consists DNA or RNA. It is act as a genetic material. Only DNA or RNA, only one is present. The second part of the virus is we can call as protein. The protein code we can call as capsid. The subunit of the capsid we can call as capsomeres. Along with this protein code, some of the viruses is having the another envelope, that is the envelope. The fat envelope we can call as peplos or peplomeres. Are you able to follow me, class, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma, very good, very good, very good. Then the viruses vary in shape. So viruses, which shape we are observed viruses, Amma? Varies. Different shapes of the viruses are present. Whether the helical structure or icosahedral or the complex structure. So different shapes of the viruses are there, whether the spherical shape or the tadpole shape or rod shape, whatever it may be. The globular shape, triangular shape. So different shapes of the viruses we are observed in the nature also. So what is the size of the virus? What is the size? The range of the size of the virus is from 20 to 300 nanometers. 20 to 300 nanometers of the viruses we are observed. And also, my dear friends, it would take 30,000 to 7,50,000 of them side by side stretching to 1 centimeter. If the viruses are stretching to side by side, that is 1 centimeter range. Okay, next we will move. So next slide, Amma. This slide is clear.
Okay,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Then this viruses, how to spread? The viruses, they are moved from one place to another place by walk, by car, by train, or by metro. No. So virus does not contain any motile organs or motile parts of the viruses. The viruses does not move by themselves. The viruses only by the host. What are the vectors? Maybe insects. Maybe insects. Is it right? Maybe another organism, another living organism, another animals also. That insects or animals we can call as vectors. And some of the viruses of animals, including human beings, also spread by exposure of infected body fluids. Are you heard about body fluids? Whether the saliva, whether the blood, whether the semen, is it right or not? So these are the body fluids. So body fluids also, it's able to transform the viruses from one organism to another organism. Is it right or not? The best example of these viruses are, we know that HIV. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
HIV it's best example. My dear friends, here the another examples of influenza. Heard about the term influenza flu? So nowadays we are observed bird flu disease. Nothing but sneeze. Things are other animals. Yes, we are observed in the market. Not. So, meat or virus. It is for novel coronavirus. Just novel coronavirus. Novel coronavirus not lose virus. Before going to in the launch or other source or not. The virus might our hands are also virus by or by oral route the virus not virus organism are of or not. Why this move to another slide, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Observed some of the viruses immunodeficiency transmitted by body fluids or not.
Yes, sir.
Virus are spread by blood sucking insects. Aedes mosquito is responsible for this transmission of dengue virus. That is tiger mosquito. You know, mosquito is responsible. Tiger mosquito is nothing but Aedes. Okay. So then rotavirus often spread by direct contact with infected children. So here, one of the term we are observed here, that is antibiotics. What are antibiotics? You heard about the term antibiotics? You heard about the term antibiotics, Amma? Antibiotics. cells. And
Corona.
Coronavirus.
so Novaxin, right? Novaxin, okay. Different vaccines are there, but we are proud to say our India is giving the entire world vaccine. That is the greatness of our India. India is always ready to serve for the nation, serve for the entire world. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu.
Jana Sugino Bhavanti.
Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Sarve. Okay, whatever it may be. That is what whole world is. Brothers and sisters. దేశమంతా కూడా మనం ఏమనుకుంటాం, దేశమంతా కూడా అంతా కూడా సుఖశాంతులతో ఉండాలని కోరుకునే దేశం అన్నమాట. దట్స్ వై అవర్ ఇండియా ఈస్ గివింగ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ ద ఎంటైర్ వరల్డ్. హియర్ వ్యాక్సిన్ దట్ viral infection. That's why these vaccines are giving first peoples related to medicine, that is doctors, and other persons like 20 years, 50 years above old age people, the other important departments, they are now vaccination process has started. Vaccination give lifelong immunity of the viruses. And here, who discovered these viruses? First discovered this virus. Who discovered this virus? Here, 1884, the French microbiologist Charles Chamberlain invented a filter known today as a Chamberlain filter. This Chamberlain patch. Okay, this filter has a smaller pores than the bacteria. Smaller pores than the bacteria. This filter is used to this filter pass a solution containing bacteria through the filter and completely remove them from the solution. In 1880. Didn't explain. After 1884, after this Charles Chamberlain, biologist Ivanovsky and study became known the tobacco mosaic virus, that is TMV, you know. TMV means tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. First discovered, that is tobacco mosaic. The first virus is TMV. Discovered Dmitry Ivanovsky in 1890. His experiment showed that extract from the leaves of the infected tobacco plants, not fresh plant, not plant, only the infected tobacco plant, if extract is separated from the plant and the extract from this leaf extract remain infectious after is applied. The plant is going or tobacco mosaic disease. That's why the first discovery of this virus TMV discovered by Ivanovsky. Ivanovsky in 18. After Ivanovsky. Same experiment has done by Martinus Beijerinck. Martinus Beijerinck, a Dutch microbiologist. Elias, Russian biologist. Biologist Ivanovsky, Dutch. Now we can call it Dutch Netherlands, Holland. Dutch is nothing but Holland. Nowadays we can call it Netherlands or Holland. Here, Martinus Beijerinck observed that a same experiment has done by Martinus Beijerinck. Is called after his experiment. Leaf extract is called as Contagium vivum fluidum. Contagium vivum fluidum, soluble living germ. He called the virus. What he called them? Contagium vivum fluidum, soluble living germ. Well, germ as given by Martinus. So we can call it who named after his experiments. Virus. The virus name has given by Martinus Beijerinck. Martinus Beijerinck, Dutch microbiologist. 20th century, early 20th century, bacteriologist Frederick Park discovered bacteria. But the viruses, which bacteria that is infect on bacteria, that viruses infect the bacteria, that viruses we can call as bacteriophages. So bacteriophages as discovered in earlier 20th century by Hart. He is an English bacteriologist. Gland biologist, bacteriologist, discovered bacteriophages. The meaning of phase, Amma? Phase means like. Phase means kill. Phase means kill. Bacteriophase. Bacteriophase. What is the meaning of bacteriophages? Of the bacteria. Bacteriophase means of bacteria. Are you able to follow my class? Able to follow?
Sir.
Yeah. Bacteriophase means bacteria. Invention of the microscope. Who invented electron microscope? Was who discovered? 1931. German engineers, Paul and Ruska. These are the scientists. They are the electron microscope. After discovery of this electron microscope, ensues about the viruses. In 1935, American biochemist and virologist with American biochemist, that is W.M. Stanley. This guys, are you heard about the term crystal? Crystal, you know. Article. Okay. Biologist. Biologist. mosaic
nucleic
virus. Organism viruses are a going. Okay, to follow.
sir. Yes, sir.
Viruses are connecting link between living and non-living organism. Whenever the viruses are never affect the host cell only viruses living like living organism. Viruses are non-living organisms. Sand particles. That's why these viruses are the connecting and non-living organism. And also these viruses are create cellular. Are you heard about the term obligate intracellular parasite? Intracellular. Three terms are here, you know. Obligate, cellular, parasite. What is the meaning of parasite? What is the meaning of parasite? Parasite means organism or living organism capable or live themselves. A living organism or organism. The other living organism also living organism diseases or kill the host cell organ. Thus organism we can. Parasitism is a one type of way of living. That is one of the organ. You know that autotrophs, heterotrophs, phytes and parasites we are already in earlier classes. Parasite. What is intra? Okay, I will write here. Here, my dear. Cells. Will this cells visible?
Yes, sir.
Of cells we can call as tissue. You know, of cells we can call as tissue. In this tissue, cells, parenchyma, chorenchyma, between cells in the tissue, among the cells, the spaces are absorbed. So these spaces called as cellular spaces. Say that intercellular spaces. Intercellular is a space. These are the spaces. So these spaces we can call as inter, not intra. Intercellular spaces. Intercellular space. Intercellular space. Here, intracellular. What is the meaning of intra? Intra means inside the cell. Intra means inside the cell. Intra. Intra means inside the cells. The viruses are able to live only inside the cells, not between the spaces of the, among the spaces of these cells or in the tissue. Only viruses able to live or are able to grow inside the cell, outside the cell. That is cellular. Obligate. Obligate means by a living organism only depends on cell. Without host organism or the pathogen, not only organism always depends upon the host cell. Host cell, pathogen also not able to survive, not able to grow. Only depends always host cell. Host cell, no pathogen, no pathogen. Parasite we can call as obligate parasite. If the parasite is always like a parasite, whether the plant on the plant host or animal host, whatever it may be, parasite, entire life cycle, parasite, we can call as gate parasite. Our viruses, our beautiful virus, our pandemic viruses are intracellular. Is it clear? These obligate intracellular parasites, okay, ants. So here our beautiful viruses are depends on whether the bacteria or protozoa or fungi or algae. Our viruses are depends upon the bacteria, we can call it bacteriophages. Our viruses are depends upon fungi. If our viruses are depends upon the cyanobacteria, phages. Our viruses are depends upon the plants, phages. If our viruses are depends upon the animals, zoophages. Are you able to follow? Our viruses are obligate intracellular parasites or infect bacteria. We can infect protozoa. Discuss that protozoa. Then fungi. Fungi means our viruses are infected phages. Our viruses are infected. Okay, that is cyanophages, green algae. Phages members, the cyanophages. Our viruses are infected. Viruses are infected. Viruses we can call as right. The second important point is our viruses are ultra microscopic size ranging from 20. So without electron microscope, we are unable to study. We are able to study without electron microscope. small the size of the viruses is very minute. The complete study about the viruses only we can use electron microscope. These viruses are cellular structure, not a cellular in nature. Without cell wall, without membrane, cell organelles, only compacted, only center core part consists, that is DNA or RNA acid. Center core part consists of acid and surrounded, the nucleic acid surrounded by protein called. These two are observed cellular in nature, not a cellular structure. Very compact and economical, very economical. Dear friends, here two structures not independently. If is these two structures is enough, the complete feature of life. These viruses are active. The outside of the host only active host cell of the media. Outside of the host cell, inactive mode. However, viruses are inactive. The basic structure of viruses only consists surrounded four part DNA or RNA, not both. Not both. This is about the general characteristic feature of viruses. My dear friends, DNA is standard. If RNA is present in viruses, single standard or double standard. Only one, single standard or double standard. DNA or RNA, only one. Clear? Only one nucleic acid is present. Remember, my dear friends, all living organisms contain both nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. Viruses are only genetic material, that is DNA or RNA. DNA or RNA is DNA. It's double DNA. DNA means single. RNA is act as a genetic material. This standard RNA, dsRNA, ssRNA. My dear friends, in organism is always double standard. RNA is a single. Remember, my dear friends, living organism, ants or animals, DNA and RNA both are present in the living organism inside the cells. DNA always in double standard in nature. RNA is single standard in nature. Virus is normal living organism. Clear? My dear friends, molecules on virus surface high specificity attachment. The specificity, high specificity of the attachment of the host cell, my dear. Specific parts are present on the host cell. The membrane of the host cell, the plasma, the cell wall of the cell, areas or specific of the cell membrane identified by the viruses. It is very, very important feature. Multiply in control of the host cell inside the host cell. At the genetic material, protein, material, parasitic, the virus's genetic material control the all physiological functions of the host cell and regulating synthesis of new viruses. The DNA or RNA of the. Are you understood this? Are you understood this point, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
My dear friends, these viruses does germs. These viruses does not contain any cell organelles. Viruses does not contain any locomotive parts. Yeah. Lack of these enzymes, my dear friend, is not having any metabolitic process. And also, these enzymes does not contain these viruses. We are unable to for the synthesizing of the proteins, transcription or translation processes. It's a complex process. Is not able to absorb in the inside the viruses. Only compact structure, that is the core, that is nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by protein core, that is capsid. This in the viruses. Most RNA viruses multiply in or are released from the cytoplasm. Most RNA viruses. What are the RNA viruses? All the plant infected viruses are RNA viruses. Some of the exemption are there. Okay? RNA viruses are plant viruses. Plant infecting viruses are contain genetic material RNA. These RNA viruses multiply in and are okay. One viral infection range from very mild to life to life threatening. Very important. This slide shows about comparison within the what is the cell and virus is it is not a cell particle. Virus is the particle, you know. Because these are the differences we are observed. Comparison between cell structure and virus structure. Here, the structure, virus structure contain DNA or RNA core capsid. Cell contain brain, cytoplasm, other cell organelles. Virus didn't. And reproduction. Reproduction, viruses only within, whenever the viruses in the host cell shows reproduction, that is replication. Here, the cell to independently division with the asexual or sexual genetic code. Here, viruses DNA so act as the genetic material RNA. And cell does not contain RNA. RNA is not act as genetic material in normal cells. DNA is act as the genetic material. And growth part and growth and development. Here, viruses not absorb any growth and development inside the host cell. Here, the independent cell and also even multicellular organisms shows development till the last breath or till the day of the life, second of the life. So, development independently. Then, what are the energy comes from independently? Obtain and energy, viruses does not use energy or obtain independently. It is only inside the host cell. The host cell is used host cell, the complete the genetic transformation or genetic recombinations we are observed, not absorb any energy or obtain what cells are of the cell respiration in the through eukaryotic living organism through mitochondria through inosine triphosphate. ATP used utilize the energy responses to the environment. So irritable environment, irritable responses or any other responses. Viruses because the outside of the living organism, virus looks like a particle, does not respond, does not show any stable responses. Here, the change over the time. Here, the viruses are change over the time. Whenever it is inside the living organism, completely hand over or take over the host cell. Host cell is being going to infected by these viruses, and the viruses combination rapidly inside the host cell over the time, but it's always over the time and grow day by day and shows the cell divisions and different differentiation and the divisions we are observed in the normal cells. This normal outside of the host cell, but in only host cell observed. This is the comparison between the viruses and normal cells. Normal living organism, not only cell, but multicellular organisms also. Is it clear? Is it clear, Amma?
Yes.
So these are comparison between the normal cell and the viruses. This images shows. So viruses is no nucleus, no organelles, no cytoplasm, even the cell membrane or cell wall. But normal cell contain all the parts of the all cell organelles are all the parts of the cellular structure. This slide is visible, Amma. This slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Respond, Amma. This slide is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody. So, are you able to?
It's visible, sir.
Are so Rama, if you have any doubts,
Hope understand, sir. All of. Any doubt, Mark?
No, ma'am.
Clear? No?
Sir, it's clear. Have no doubts.
thank you very much, yes. Rajini Madam Garu. Tomorrow, meet our Google Meet, 8 AM.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, madam.
Okay, shall I leave? Shall I leave?
Okay, sir.
అరే క్లాస్ ఇది 1 అవర్ ఉంటుందమ్మా క్లాస్ 1 అవర్ ఉంటుంది
Girls, okay, can leave it, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.